Want to replace your STIM320 but always get stuck on structural interface, synchronization, and protocol incompatibility issues? Micromagic has officially released the tactical-grade MEMS IMU, U5000, a direct competitor to the Sensonor STIM320, offering comparable performance while ensuring seamless, compatible replacement. Structurally, the U5000's size and weight align with mainstream solutions, reducing rework in mechanical fixing and system integration. Electrical and synchronization aspects are even more critical. The U5000 supports RS-232 and RS-422 and provides TOV and PPS inputs for easy GNSS time synchronization and data fusion. It boasts enhanced compatibility, suitable for high-stability scenarios such as SOTM, high-precision surveying, autonomous driving test platforms, and aviation navigation and stability control. For a replacement list, interface integration suggestions, or resource packs, comment or send me a private message.